Hi everyone, it's Joe from the Hardwood Company, and in this week's episode I transform these old dried matumi slabs into one of the most beautiful design tables I've ever created. So stay tuned for this episode. Hit the like and subscribe button and the push notification button for future videos. So firstly we had the slabs flatted to create a flat surface, and then we caulked the bottom side to make sure there's no leakages on the resin that we were going to pour. Unfortunately, we lost a lot of video footage on this build, and this is basically as good as it's going to get, but nevertheless stay tuned to watch us create this table, and at the end the client sent us a video of the table inside his beautiful home. Yeah, it was at this stage that I noticed my silicone gun had broken and I was pouring silicone all over the place. Nevertheless, we had moral support from our dachshund Oatly, and he was so eager just to be part of this build, as you can see here. Super cute. Now I'm sure all of you are familiar with the next scene. This is us in load shedding, busy caulking the rest of the table before we placed it into the mold. Now I'm not a guy that easily gets upset. I kind of have a lot of patience when it comes to these kind of things, but I think all our South Africans can agree that load shedding is really frustrating. We have constant power outages between 4 to 6 hours every day, and it can even be more depending on the stages we are in. But nevertheless, we have to make it work. So we utilize our own lights, and some people do have inverters. We're still working on that. It's quite expensive, to be honest, just to get a decent set of inverters and batteries to make sure that it can actually withstand the power tools that you use at your workshops. But nevertheless, we had this done, and I'm so sorry for the footage that got lost. I really wanted to create a beautiful video for this, but here is the finished product inside the customer's home in Cape Town, and we were really excited with this build. It really turned out so well. We even sold a small African coffee table, African mahogany coffee table to the customer, which turned out to be a beautiful, beautiful table as well. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching, everybody, and we'll see you again next time.